And now, as we conclude the largest anti-racist conference of all time, we have a surprising guest.
Things went back in the 1930s. I have been in Argentina thinking things over, and I should have done things differently. These days I am a changed man, and this is the dawning of a new day. I am now an avowed anti-racist, and we are going to crush racism once and for all.
This is amazing! I can see the headlines now. Adolf Hitler is an anti-racist. This could end racism for good.
Ah, Tel Aviv, what a great city. But I see there is work to be done here.
What do you mean, Hitler?
Too many Jews here. We need more diversity. Thanks to my new anti-racist organization, we are going to spice things up a bit. Diversity is good. Diversity is a strength. Diversity is what makes the Middle East so peaceful.
So you are not a Nazi anymore?
Oh no, quite the contrary actually. My anti-racist organization is lobbying for an open border policy for Israel. Non-Jews have just as much of a right to be here as anyone else. You cannot restrict the country to a specific group of people. That's racist. Israel has not yet learned how to be multicultural.
I hate racists and people who oppose this wonderful development. It won't be easy, but Israel will be multicultural.
But the Jewish people have a right to exist as a unique people.
Ah, that's racist.
I think we have a right to preserve our culture and our people.
So you believe you are God's chosen people? Some kind of master race? That just reminds me of the brown shirts in the 30s.
I'm not racist, but if this process continues, we'll be a minority in our own country.
Stop whining. Go and have more Jewish babies if you are so concerned. Diversity is good. Diversity is a strength. Diversity is what makes the Middle East so peaceful. And diversity is saving Israel.
You're just the same old Hitler, an anti-Semite trying to erase the Jews.
That's nonsense! How can love be anti-Semitic? Jews all over the world love diversity and multiculturalism. Because I love you, I have given it one more try. We heal the world. We are the children of the rainbow.
Hitler! Many Jews don't like what's happening, the Jewish people being replaced through immigration.
What you're doing is genocide, is it not?
Nonsense, this is natural. People migrate and fall in love. Religions come and go. I would not burden myself worrying over all this.
Look around, Hitler. Everything's non-Jewish now. You have forced a genocidal scheme on us.
I am not forcing anything. I have not killed anyone this time. Remember, I am now an anti-racist. I don't believe borders should stand in the way of people and culture. Diversity is good. Diversity is a strength. Diversity is what makes the Middle East so peaceful. And diversity has saved Israel!
Oh, God! Look, Hitler, we told you that your policy would make Israel non-Jewish. and I'm the only Jew left. You wiped us out for good.
Well, no one could have foreseen that.